The government of New Brunswick is still out there on the look of workers that are willing to migrate to Canada, New Brunswick precisely, to fill in their shortage occupation list. In today's video, we are still going to the province of New Brunswick. Yes, another opportunity have risen there for international workers, both those of you in the care sector, different sectors, which I will be going to my screen in this video to show you all the available routes that you can explore to move to Canada. New Brunswick have proven to be one of that province in Canada that are friendly to immigrants, not just immigrants, but those coming overseas. The New Brunswick government is always bent on bringing skilled and unskilled workers from all over the world into their province, New Brunswick. Dear besties, I feel so happy to introduce to you guys today another good opportunity that will enable you to relocate to Canada, New Brunswick precisely, with your loved ones. This opportunity will avail you the opportunity to be able to move with your family. With this opportunity, there is no age limit. Everyone is welcome to apply. With this opportunity, you are moving to Canada with a work permit. Yes, these New Brunswick employers have gotten positive LMIA that will enable you to relocate to Canada, and they will be sponsoring your visa. I will be going into details on my screen to show you all the available positions and how you are going to go about it. Remember, when it comes to work visa, you should be able to make sure your CV is giving everything givable. I mean, you should be able to make sure you are constructing your CV in Canadian standard. I have made a detailed video here on my YouTube channel on how you can make a good Canadian standard CV. Go to my previous videos and you will find out how to go about this. Remember to always do the job description according to Canadian standard. How to do all these things have been shown to you on this channel. But going forward, you still believe that, oh, I am too busy, I don't have the time for all this. Of course, you can come to us and we are going to do this CV for you in Canadian standard. Welcome back to my channel, besties. It is Mama Positivity in the building. If you are joining me for the first time, I am Ada Kings, called Mama Positivity on the streets of YT. Welcome back to the channel. This is the Positivity Gang. In this family, we share lots of positive energy. You may want to join the family by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Hit on that subscribe button, turn on post notification, so that each time I share a new video, you will be the first to get notified. To all my returning subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. Thank you, besties, for all your support and the love. I am not taking it for granted. You may also want to smash that like button. Like this video is a way of appreciating the good work I do on YouTube. Of course, this is born out of passion. It gives me so much joy and happiness to see that I am bringing opportunities that will enable you to reach your destination. Remember, we rise by lifting others. Don't forget, smash that share button. Let others partake in this good news. With that being said, let's proceed, besties. Dear besties, it is another international recruitment in the province of New Brunswick in Canada. Guys always know me to always be up to date with any international recruitment happening in Canada, and today is not left out. So guys, let's go to my screen. Let me show you the jobs that they are looking for this time around, of which many of you are highly qualified for these jobs. I will show you the cities they will be going to, and some of them will shock you. If you are watching this video and they are not coming to your city, remember, nothing stops you from doing the online application, whether they are coming to your city or not. So how it works is that if they are coming to your city and you do this application, after they review your application and they believe that, this person has got what we want, they will reply you with the name of the venue. They will give you the name of the venue where you will come for this opportunity. Then if you are an international applicant, you are not in that community, they will still reply you with how you're going to do interview with them. I have got a lot of people that have migrated through this international recruitment. You are not left out. The only thing holding you is your CV. Make an outstanding CV in Canadian standard. That alone will sell you the more. So besties, do me another favor by sharing this video, especially to those that they are coming for their cities, so that these people can as well go for an in-person interview and at least get this job. We rise by lifting others. Remember, when they get this job, your competition also will reduce, right? So besties, this is for everybody. Whether you are in the country listed, whether you are not in the country listed, go ahead, amend your CV and do this application. At the end of the day, everybody will be submitting their CV. That's the most important thing. So guys, let's go to my screen. Guys, as you can see on my screen, we are at the official government of the New Brunswick, Canada, and this is their event calendar. So they said upcoming international recruitment. All right, so this is an international recruitment event. As you can see, it is clearly written. So this is not coming from our positivity. Welcome to New Brunswick, Canada. This is where it's located. Along the Atlantic Ocean, New Brunswick offers a distinct way of life and exciting career opportunities. We value the experience and skills of newcomers from all over the world, and we look forward to welcoming you and your family home. Guys, they are ready to welcome you and your family home. They stated it right there. So don't other bother. Will they allow me to come with my family? Yes, they will. Let us proceed, besties. So this is the event that is coming up, guys. The first event, as you can see on my screen, is happening in the United Kingdom on the 25th of April 2024 at Birmingham, UK. Another one is happening in Ireland, Dublin precisely, and is taking place on the 27th of April 2024. Besties, this does not mean that it is only those in UK or Ireland that are allowed to do this application. It is called international recruitment. They will be live in UK and Ireland. But if you are not in the UK, you are not in Ireland, you are welcome to send in your application. Who knows, luck will shine on you. Just sell yourself. Stand out of the crowd. Make an outstanding CV. Anyways, let us proceed. If you know anyone in UK or Ireland, share this video with them. If they are interested in Canada, they can go there in person and get value from this. I will show you other ones. Then I am interested in the application for Birmingham to show you how to go about this application the right way. Then remember that this application, you will be sending this to them. The next one is Immigration Expo. Remember, the one of Canada, the one of UK and Ireland is for people in skilled trades and healthcare. So we'll see the opportunities they have in healthcare. We have one in Hunting, and it's happening on the 6th and 7th of April. So if you know anyone in Utrecht, please send this information to them. They are looking for people in information technology and transportation. So even if you are not in this venue and you have what it takes, you are an IT personnel, you are into the transportation industry, go ahead and sign up. All right, just do your CV in Canadian standard. So the next we have is the one coming up in Morocco, and this is happening online. Forestry international recruitment. Guys, it is online. They are not going to Morocco either. So sign up. If you are in this category, please click on the sign up button and register. The next one we have is the one for online interpreters. Guys, this is still online. There is no date, there is no deadline. Just click on the sign up button and sign up. All right, let us proceed. I am going to click on that sign up icon, as you can see on my screen. Guys, as you can see, we are here. It said skill trades and healthcare recruitment. So coming down this page, you want to see the NOC code. Just fill your name, your last name, your email, confirm email. Then let us go into the NOC codes that they are taking for this recruitment. They are taking the number one people they are much interested in is healthcare assistance. As you can see from my screen, that's the first on the list. 33102, that's not nurse aides, orderlies, and patient service associates. So these are the first group of people they are attending to. The next one is 53125, patent makers. Those of you working on Tesla, leather, and fur products. The next ones are those that cooks, chefs are wanted. Code 63200. The next people is sheet metal workers. The next is electricians, plumbers, steel fitters, pipe fitters, carpenters, bricklayers, heavy duty equipment mechanics, heating, refrigeration, and air conditioning mechanics, automotive service technicians, truck and bus mechanics, and mechanical repairers. Crane operators, concrete finishers, plasters, drywall installers and finishers, roofers and stringlers, painters, truck drivers, heavy equipment, construction trade helpers, industrial sewing machine operators, and furniture and fixture assemblers. So guys, at the end of the day, when you fill those ones, you come here and select your NOC code, which my NOC code is Nurse Aid and Orderlies. In what countries did you do your training? I will say United Kingdom. All right. I will say United Kingdom. How many years of experience do you have? I will select that I have got 5 years of experience. Do you have a valid driver's license? And I will say yes, I have got license. Issuing country, I will say United Kingdom. I will say England. Then, do you have a valid Canadian express entry profile number? Of which I do not have. So I will say no. If you say yes, they will ask you, provide your valid Canadian express entry profile number. That's if you say yes. All right. So now, but I said no. Okay. So you click on no. The next thing, do you have a valid INB profile number? So I will click on that. No, I don't have INB profile number. I have not, declared interest in New Brunswick. So you click on privacy policy, and I understand that when clicking and all that. So guys, at the end of the day, you should come down before clicking save and next, verify all information like that. So agree, and then you click on save and next, guys. So guys, I will go to the next page. I just want you guys to understand how this works. So I would select, I'm going for the one of 25th in Birmingham. All right. So coming down, I will go to save and next. You can see the next page. You are asked to fill, do you have a high school diploma or certificate? Yes, I do. What is your formal education? Example, technical school, masters in geography. So this is not a priority. You can leave it. Do you have a valid education credential assessment? Yes, I do. Please upload a copy of your ECA report. So if you have it, you can upload a copy here. All right. Skilled work experience. Your work experience must be at least 1 year. That is this. Paid work, volunteer, and that. Upload your resume. So you click on upload resume, give them consent, and then save and next. So guys, as you can see, when you get to the next stage, you will be asked to put details of your partner. All right. So if your partner is going with you, put their details, put the job they do. If they have their CV, put in their CV there, and it's going to make a whole lot of differences. At the end of the day, submit your application, sit back and relax, and you will be getting an official email confirming that they received your application. Then if you are online, still do this application. Choose any of that country. It doesn't matter. Just get started and submit an application. That's what matters. Believe me, employers are going to see all your application, see all your CV, and select you based on what you have to offer. So you can as well check other ones, click on the sign up and see the NOCs that are available for you to explore. If you fall in any of these categories, go ahead and do the application. Besties, this is it for this video. Canada is calling. Pick the call. By the way, a big shout out to my friend at Clara UK Immigration. She got me this microphone, to be using to do my video. Anyways, thank you, Clara. I appreciate. So, besties, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you are going to rush now and start your own application. I am hoping to see good news and positive evidence when it comes to this particular job application. I will see you guys in our next video. I wish you guys good luck and the very best of luck in all your endeavors. See you, besties. For now, bye. Bye, besties.